I am Gayatri, working as Assistant Professor in EC Department at SNS College of Technology. Today I am going to discuss about the topic energy stored in capacitors under the unit to electrostatic field in conductors and dielectrics under the subject electromagnetic fields and waves studied by second year students in the 4th semester. Today I am going to discuss about the topic which is how the electric field will be storing some energy and the energy stored in the capacitance, how the energy will be stored in capacitance and how it is related with the help of mathematical expressions and the energy density of this electric field and capacitance, and how the electric field energy and capacitance field energy will be used in various applications, and last the summary will be discussed. And coming to the empathy part of this energy storage in capacitance, somehow we have to store some energy which is generated by the capacitance. The capacitance and the capacitance, when we are having the two parallel plate and it is separated by some dielectric medium, the energy will be generated. This energy will be stored in capacitance. And for empathy part, how the water will be stored behind the dam, and the compressed spring storing mechanical energy, how the mobile phone charging devices will be storing that particular energy. And coming to the definition part of this energy density, the energy stored in the electric field as well as the energy stored in the capacitance will be accumulated with the help of energy density. The energy density will be energy per unit volume stored in that particular electric field. It is related with the help of U, which is equal to 1 by 2 epsilon E square. The epsilon will be the permittivity and will be related to epsilon naught into epsilon R. The epsilon will be naught will be having the constant value which is 8.854 into 10 power minus 12, and epsilon R is a relative permittivity, and it will be taken as 1 for particular air medium. And with the help of this formula we can easily calculate the energy density of energy distribution as well as energy density that is present in particular volume in electric field as well as the capacitance. And coming to the definition part of this energy expressions, the energy is nothing but it will be stored in electric field between the plates. The higher the voltage and higher the electric field of the capacitance, the more amount of energy will be stored in the electric field as well as capacitance. When the separation of this dielectric medium increases, the energy capability of that particular electric field and capacitance is also increased. And when we are comparing the energy storage methods in a capacitance, when we are using this particular dielectric medium and the particular radius of this inner circle and outer circle, the capacitance effect will be changes. Depending upon this, we will be having the higher storage energy and also the improved energy storage value will be there. And the physical significance of the cylindrical capacitance, which is nothing but we have to particularly design the cylindrical capacitance which is having the ratio of radius we are using, and the length of the cylinder should be particularly designed, and the separation of this particular medium which is chosen correctly. With the help of this three factors, length and radius of this particular inner circle and outer circle and the dielectric medium, the electric field will be generated radially. With the help of this electric field, also the magnetic field will be generated. The magnetic field will be generated when there is a inductance effect. And coming to the application part of this energy storage in the capacitance, when the energy is stored in the capacitance, we will be having the supply of power which is smoothing our system, and there will be energy backup and this energy storage and power supply smoothing will be used for camera flash units and other devices we can use for that. And in UPS also we are using this memory power backup system, and also it is used in RF circuits, and also for memory backup system this capacitance will be used. And the summary part of the capacitance, it is having two conductive parallel plate. In between there will be a dielectric medium, and it is connected to the voltage source. When it is connected to the voltage source, the upper plate will be having positive and negative, down will be having negative capacitance, and the energy will be stored when the dielectric medium is correctly chosen. These are the references I have taken for this topic. Thank you.